Every time one of us posts a video on how to coil cable over under, you get at least one person commenting, that's not how it was manufactured. That's not how it was put on the spool warm, and that's where its memory is. It was rolled on the spool over. So that's why we should coil things over. And I hate to tell you this, but coming on and off of a spool is not the same process as coiling by hand. Yes, when it comes off of a spool, it's going to want to come over, and it's going to come off in a nice clean straight line. And then when it goes back on the spool, you would want to do the same thing over. But our coils are not coming on and off a spool. They are coming out of a center of a coil. So it's a different process, and the two conditions are not interchangeable. I would have to be bringing it in my hands like this, and I don't do that. We don't do that. We're going to lose control of the tail. This is not efficient. This is not going to work. And I would unroll it the same way. We're not doing that. That's not what we're doing. We're coiling and uncoiling. So what I'm actually doing is I'm pulling this out of the center of a coil, and if I have over-undered it, like I'm doing here, it does an opposite twist each way, and it comes out without getting any kinks or twists. This one, on the other hand, was coiled over. And as this comes out, look at that. Every single time I come up, it's got a twist in it. It's got a twist in it. This is over. This is what you don't want. Coiling your cable over and then uncoiling it or releasing it onto stage is tantamount to taking your spool and pulling it out and uncoiling it like this. And what's happening? Because it's been over, I'm actually uncoiling all the cable, and it wants to make a spring. It wants to make a spring action because it's cable and a little bit flexible. It's not an actual spring, but that's the twist that is being inflicted because of the over. And we don't want to do that. So, over, under, 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 over. That opposite twisting, one direction and then the other, is going to allow us to pull this cable out from the center, which is what we're doing when we're uncoiling it by hand. We're not spooling and unspooling. We are coiling and pulling out of the center of a coil. That opposite direction is going to allow it to come out without any knots and twists, and it's going to account for the natural flow in the cable. We want to do this with audio cable. We want to do this with speaker cable. We want to do this with air hoses, pneumatic air hose. We want to do this with single twisted rope that's all twisting in the same direction. So a lot of your natural fibers, the multi-line that we use, it's got all of the twists going in one direction, so that rope will want to be over under. You don't need to do it with double braided rope that's got two braids going in opposite directions around a center core. That can be done over. Electrical cable, I just do what it wants to do. If it wants to go over under, I will go over under. If it's heavy cable, if it's 4/0, 2/0, or big stuff, I will only go over because I'm coiling it onto the floor and it's not going to be affected. I'll also do Ethernet cables. Cat5 cables will be over under. They are going to come out of that coil much cleaner and less likely to kink if I over under them. I haven't seen anyone do this in a long time, but when I was younger, I learned to do a figure 8 with your audio cable. Lay it down in a figure 8 if you can get it to behave. Especially if that cable has to move quickly, you can just go and it comes out. And it doesn't get tangled up. So that's another option. Figure 8 is just another variation of over under. It's just in a different shape. But it's the same thing as over under. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. This one's a little bit small. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and under. So when folks claim that because it's manufactured and put on the spool over, they really don't understand the difference between coming off of a spool and coming off of a hand-coiled cable. They are two different things. They are not interchangeable.